In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration right away. Then scroll down. Click on Shortcut to prevent ringing, and after clicking on this switcher, tap on Vibrate to set it up. Then scroll down again and click on Vibration and Haptics located at the very bottom. Now you can click on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable them, thanks to all of those sliders, you can adjust intensity of vibration for ring, notifications, alarms, and touch feedback. You can also click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch them on or off. Vibrate first, then ring gradually. And haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!